to go deep,
让我们更好的向内在放松。
you feel or imagine that your light body, astral body becomes so light and floating sensation.
就感觉我们身体非常的轻，有一种飘飘不兴的感觉。
Slowly you feel that the body is so light that you can fly. You can fly without harming or doing anything with your body. The body is safe and secure. Slowly you feel that you are 10 feet above your own body. Slowly and gently you move up in the air.
慢慢让我飘到空间上去，
You feel yourself, you can see your body lying down safe and comfortably. You move up 50 feet above the ground. Slowly you're flying up in the air. 100 feet above the ground.
慢慢的飘上去，离地面110高的地方。
200 feet above the ground. Feet above the ground. Thousand feet above the ground.
到离地面1000尺高，
Still you're safe and secure and deeply relaxed. You start flying high above into the other dimension of existence at the level of your mind.
我继续向上飘，一直飘到我们心境的那样一个层面，非常的高，很放松。
You slowly fly into that dream world of yours.
回到那个属于自己的梦想领地。 Quickly you fly to the dream world of yours. 飞到那里很自由自在的一个地方。
You feel you're walking towards the dream world. from the heights of your flight, you are taken down, not towards this earth, but towards the dream world of yours. What you see there?
想象一点，住完这道地面，
It's a beautiful garden made up of thousands and thousands of eternal flowers.
来到一个花园，花园中开满了不朽的美丽花朵，
Eternal plants which will be always in the spring to summer area season.
那些四季常青常鲜的一些植物和鲜花，
Always fragrant, always bloom, and always undying.
芬芳，不断的绽放，不会凋谢。
You slowly walk towards the different flowers in this dreamland.
在这片梦想的之地中，慢慢的在花丛中散步，
You can feel the water,
能感觉到水，
beautiful lake with many lotuses.
有漂亮的湖面，有很多的莲花。
You're walking as if you're flying, no efforts in your walk.
你在走的时候像飞一样飘飘的走，没有任何压力。
You see a beautiful flowers of your choice. Beautiful lotuses,
漂亮的莲花，
slowly you walk little deep into this flowery garden. And little far from you, you feel and see a Zen garden. Some people or some monks are chanting there.
这远处有些和尚正在唱诵着曼陀罗。
You feel absolutely soothing and you feel like go near to that. You walk towards the Zen temple. Slowly you step inside the temple.
慢慢的走到庙宇的正中，
What you see there inside, there is no one, nobody.
你在里面看到空无一人，
You see a huge Buddha made up of enormous energy.
里面有一个巨大的佛像，有各种能量化合物上。
You cannot see him, but you can feel the high concentration of energy. And also there is a big circle near to this chi of a Buddha, the circle of yin and yang. positive energy of yin and yang both. When you go near to this energy Buddha and yin yang circle, you feel yourself energized. The good chi which is required for your body is coming into your body, filling the mind and your spirit.
我们在回到身体当中，让我们意识平衡。
Absorbing all the positive energy of this high concentration Buddha and yin yang energy. We are slowly going down to the Buddha. And gently coming back towards the garden. You hear less and less sounds of the monks chanting.
你听到背景那个和尚唱诵越来越轻了。
Slowly the sound disappears.
然后那个唱诵的声音消失。
Now we come near to the lake and beautiful flowers.
然后可以听到流水的声音，那个河面和美丽的花朵。
Your body, mind and spirit is full of the cosmic energy of Buddha. Slowly you are walking back towards the lake and going back towards your space. The water sound slowly disappears. Walking back from the dream world, you fly back into the air from where you entered into this dream world. Slowly and gently, you're traveling back towards the earth.
慢慢回到地球上来。
You can feel and see all the bird view of the earth. You are 100 or 1,000 feet above the earth, flying fast but relaxed.
重心完全的放松下来，平静下来。
Slowly you are coming down 500 feet above the ground.
再下降500贴近地面。
400 feet above ground. 200 feet above the ground.
身体又在下降，距离地面到200尺。
Slowly coming back 100 feet above the ground. You're just above the yoga hall.
刚好在水上面。
Slowly you entered into yoga hall and you can feel and see your body lying down absolutely still and relaxed.
回到身体当中，再来感觉全身的放松。
Slowly you back to your body consciousness.
回到身体的意识，
You feel the high energized mind, body and the spirit within your body now.
大家现在能感觉到能量、肉体和精神之间的连接。
With that high energy, you're slowly becoming alert and awake.
这样的知识和经历，慢慢把意识带回身体，逐渐的唤醒。
To indicate that you are alert and awake, gently move your toes and fingertips.
可以慢慢活动手指、脚趾。
Wonderful, thank you for the suggestions. And slowly come back and stretch yourself without opening your eyes.
还是闭上眼睛，伸展一下身体。
Feel the energy there within you which you acquired in the dream phase of your mind, lucid dreaming.
就感觉从刚才像梦境一样的体式的过程，整个身体慢慢变。
Gently turn towards right side of your body, taking the right hand on the top of your head.
转向右侧。
The same slow pace, taking support of both the palms and coming back to sitting posture.
手的身体在逐渐的回来坐姿，
Keeping your eyes closed.
双眼微闭，
Adopt Namaskara Mudra.
双眼合十。
One Om and three Shanti Mudra. Don't open your eyes yet.
现在
Feel the vibration. Feel the beauty.
继续感觉这个声波的指向，
Take a deep breath in.
吸气。
Gently rub your hands towards each other.
所有的
Massage of your face,
按照
forehead, cheek, chin, front of your ears, back of your ears, neck muscles.
耳朵前侧后侧。
And slowly you open your eyes to the new world of relaxed awareness.
然后带着这种全新的放松的意识，再打开眼睛，看看周围的事情。
You're completely alert now,
你完全精神了，
absolutely relaxed as if you slept for 3 hours.
跟睡3个小时差不多。
Feel the energy. So this is the magic of going beyond the body into the mind space and then getting the relaxation done.
这就是超越身体层面的，到达那样一个往往心念的层面，能量。
So it's one form of a psychic sleep or yoga nidra which I combined with hypnotherapy and music.
是